with this, this is a wrap up for percentiles, quartile, and deciles or deciles. So now let's get back to our navigational map. So far in descriptive statistics, we have completed organizing data, and after completion of organizing data, we have moved on to the summarizing data. So this is the navigational map of summarizing data. In summarizing data, we have seen measures of central tendency, that's a mean, median, mode. Then we moved on to the measures of dispersion or measures of variability. In this, we have seen range, variance, standard deviation, interquartile range, mean absolute deviation, MAD. Then we moved on to the measures of shapes. Here we have seen skewness, kurtosis, histogram. Then we looked into the quartiles, deciles, percentiles, and now it's time to do bigger and bigger, that is measures of association. So now we will be looking into the measures of association. In measures of association, we will see correlation, covariance, and then to understand the correlation, we need some plots. For that, we will use scatter plot. We will use a scatter plot. And after that, we will also use a cross tabulation. That is another way of understanding the relation between the two variables. And then we will use a chi-square test, which gives the relationship between the categorical variable. So with this, we will be entering into the measures of association, the very and heavily useful tool in data science, measures of association. So in a simplest way, measures of association, we can call it as in a single statement. If you want to give a single statement for the measures of association, it's nothing but exploring relationships between variables. Here what we are going to do, when we master the measures of association, you will able to explore relationships between the variables. When you know the relationship between the variables, that's when you can actually take advantage of all algorithms or models that are available to do the data science or artificial intelligence. So measures of association or exploring relationships between variables is the very important step before you enter into the modeling of the data with respect to the artificial intelligence. In statistics, measures of association are used to examine the strength and direction of relationships between two or more variables. These measures help us understand how variables are related and can provide insights into patterns, trends, and associations within the data. Here, we will discuss some commonly used measures of association along with examples using Python's data manipulation library pandas.